nambi ni fambile mina ni vuyele ka mitirho yin'wani ministara u ta vuya ti-deputy ministara ti ta vuya a ta tshama fikela un'wana na un'wana a va na mati andlwini ya yena.
The project was delayed. It was delayed because there was a lot of alleged fraud around this project. And therefore we said, as we are coming in the 7th term, whilst there are those investigations, let's unblock the project. Let's not subject our people to wait longer than they've waited for the past 9 years. Hence we are here today because the project is up and running.